Shankru.
Now I call Cadet Shankru to review their speech.
A very good morning to you all, respected Vijay Kumar sir and all my dear friends. Today I am Cadet Shankru from Rashtrapati House going to review today's speakers. First speaker was Cadet Shobhatma from Chalukya House. He spoke about ICC Championship Trophy of 2013. He spoke good, he was also having good matter and he described the first match and he also had good grammar. Then second speaker was Cadet Sidrama. He also spoke good and there was little bit improvement in grammar. Then third speaker Cadet Sudarshan. He was very nice speaking, fluent, clear. He was also, I think so, he was also one of good speakers of today's assembly. The next speaker was Cadet Sidhu. He was loud, clear, and he also spoke good about our school library. He was also one of good speakers of today's assembly. The fifth speaker was Cadet Manjunath. He spoke about yesterday's football match which was held in our school. He also described the match very well and he spoke well. Last speaker was Cadet Sachin from Rashtrapati House. He spoke good. He was loud also and I think so he will speak next time better than this. Thank you.